Well, yes, the 25th of February. The mud almost beat me yesterday. It did beat Sue. Sue reports mud 1, Sue none for yesterday. Sue describes the technique, GPS team's challenge of entering the mud pit via walking on your hands and carrying the kit with your feet. Good technique, Sue. I've followed the Fitzy method of nose riding back in, which did work okay, did not end up on my arse, so that's good. My track from yesterday at Lake George. This is a fair distance that I've been sailing here. You can see a fair portion of that is walking, mud walking, crazy mud walk. Massive credit to anybody that entered the mud pit 2025 down here. Just getting in and out is no mean feat. Anyone that did it is off their head, crazy windsurfer, and deserve massive credit. Good on you. I have my ninja walk technique sorted, where you don't step, you slide. Kato reports trying it in the surf but didn't work with the wind direction. Tony says he was on a lunch break, pretty good lunch break. The Vaichi situation is, well, Sean again has done a few knots faster peak speeds than Jaden. So I don't know, he's fierce. Maybe he's tempered with his sails up there. I don't know what's going on up there. And Jaden's just gone faster than many people at many locations all around the country in this last year, and he's gone home and getting schooled by the old man. Holy moly. The race to 40 at Boyne Island. Who will it be? Only a few more days. Last February! Whoa! Wow, that felt pretty good. Oh, it's gonna go again! It's going again! Nearly. Yep, we're on. It was easier walking out the board. I think the board was taking a bit of weight off my feet. When I walked down the flats here to bring the sail down first, I felt not much wind. So I've grabbed Big Bertha SLW and it's way out there. Get the sail connected to it and hopefully get out there for a sail. Yep. I've walked out as far as I can and still on the bottom, but it's good, it's going somewhere. Oh wow, that is a mission. Oh, I hope we get out. I think I'm glad I bought this board. Maybe power out there is easily underestimated. And yeah. Here we go. No more water that way. I don't think it's going to go well going back this way either. Oh, Sue's killing me. She's worried about her board. She's succeeding so far. I can't get off the bottom with this big fin. It's not that much bigger than hers. She's got a 24 fungy fin in, and I've got a 28. And yeah, I can't really blame the fin because it is quite soft bottom. If I could just get it going, the idea is that it should go through it. But I'm not getting off the mud here. That's no good. No good. It's actually really dangerous to go slow here because the march flies are chasing me. See this thing? I've got to get away from them. Come on, wind. Oh no, get me away from these things. I nearly had it planing before. Almost planing. 7 knots was the top speed so far. I don't need much to plane, but a little bit more than this. This may not be mission success today. Well, I'm out here, I'm trying, but I don't know if I'm going to get the speed to get the board going in this. It would be lovely if it did, but you know, I'm going pretty slow. I actually nearly just stopped. So I've got a 7.5 and seems to be some wind. It's like it's stopped in this glassy patch. Definitely can't see where it's coming from, that's for sure. Over there somewhere. Nearly, but no. I got rid of the march flies anyway. You can't catch me now, those march flies. No way. Well, February 20 something, it's 20 something, 24 or 25. It's a smooth day and it's a very light wind day. There's not much wind at all. I was out here and I was going along thinking it's just sort of worth it, that mud walk, getting this gear out here. And I was dreaming if it would go through the glass planing, and it did. I can't believe it. It did, just once. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? I don't know. It's gonna go again here, I reckon. It's gonna go again. A lot of, yeah, it's not too bad sailing around, but through that glass, wow. Mind blowing. 3 days in a row. Riding the calm, flat water is blowing my mind. So it's very, very light wind. This session has been mostly just cruising around, looking at the sights. There's a weather station, there's an island, and it's good to sort of do some depth sounding cruise. That's deep water there, that's good water. No fin dragging just over there. But yeah, it's good to just have a look around, and I think it'll really help the confidence when there is more wind and going fast. It's nice to know where you are, for sure. It's a big lake, it's hard to get the bearings. Well, the wind doesn't seem to be picking up. I think that's that. Ah, bugger. Going damn mud.
Oh, I've got it now. This is how it's done. Yeah, that's mud surfing on the nose. Fungy fin pointing forward, hanging out the back. Yeah. Ah, fuck. Ah. I don't know. Feels like the wind just picked up. I don't think I'll go out again. Got one walk in me a day, that's it. Wow.